Toyota Safety Sense, or TSS, is a suite of active safety technologies and advanced driver assistance systems. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 introduces a number of enhancements over the previous generation, including an upgraded forward-facing camera with higher resolution and wider angles, and an improved radar sensor for a longer and wider field of view. These improvements bring new and expanded feature capabilities to the systems found in TSS 3.0, which is now capable of over-the-air updates. Let's take a closer look at the suite and see what's new. Pre-collision system, or PCS, is designed to help drivers mitigate or avoid frontal collisions by detecting a vehicle, pedestrian, or bicyclist, and providing an audio and/or visual forward collision warning and brake assist under certain circumstances. Additionally, if the driver doesn't react to the warnings, the system is designed to provide automatic emergency braking. With TSS 3.0, the system now has enhanced intersection support with improved detection range capability, including, in certain circumstances, oncoming vehicles in more than one lane, while turning, and vehicles approaching from a lateral direction. Finally, along with bicyclist and pedestrian detection, TSS 3.0 is capable of motorcyclist detection in certain situations. Lane Departure Alert, or LDA, is designed to detect inadvertent lane departure at speeds above 30 miles per hour and issue an audio and visual warning. If the driver does not take corrective action, the system will provide gentle corrective steering to help keep the vehicle in the lane. With TSS 3.0, Lane Departure Alert with Steering Assist now provides enhanced lane recognition to detect certain three-dimensional objects used to define the lane, like certain types of guardrails. Dynamic Radar Cruise Control, or DRCC, is an adaptive cruise control system that uses vehicle-to-vehicle distance control to help maintain a preset distance from the vehicle ahead of the driver at cruising speeds set above 20 miles per hour. With TSS 3.0, DRCC sees several enhancements, including an update from 3 to 4 cruise distance settings. TSS 3.0 also brings enhanced vehicle detection that enables the system to provide smoother, more natural speed adjustments. Now, when a driver signals to change lanes, the system is designed to detect preceding vehicles in adjacent lanes and can preemptively adjust the speed for the upcoming lane. Lane Tracing Assist, or LTA, is designed to help the driver keep the vehicle centered in its lane. LTA functions when DRCC is activated and detects lane markings as well as the path of the vehicle ahead, and is designed to actively provide steering inputs that help keep the vehicle centered in its lane. TSS 3.0 is also capable of steering the vehicle within its lane to offset the vehicle's driving path to help provide more space between objects being passed in an adjacent lane. In addition, Emergency Driving Stop System is designed to monitor the driver's inputs, such as steering operation. Vehicles equipped with a driver monitor camera are designed to also confirm the driver's eyes are attentive to the road ahead. If the system determines the driver is not attentive and the driver does not respond to prompts to resume control of the vehicle, it can bring the vehicle to a stop under certain conditions. Road Sign Assist, or RSA, is designed to help detect speed limit signs, stop signs, do not enter signs, and yield signs, and display an icon of the sign on the vehicle's multi-information display. This system is designed to help provide the driver with additional awareness of posted road signs. The system can also provide alerts, like if the vehicle's speed exceeds the posted speed limit. With TSS 3.0, RSA is now capable of detecting a wider variety of road signs, such as warning signs. Automatic high beams are designed to help drivers see more clearly at night, while also reducing glare for surrounding drivers. When activated, the AHB system is designed to help detect the headlights of oncoming vehicles and taillights of preceding vehicles, and then automatically toggle accordingly between high and low beams. Proactive Driving Assist, or PDA, is an all-new feature on certain vehicles equipped with TSS 3.0. When conditions are met, PDA can provide gentle braking when driving into curves, or gentle braking and/or steering to help support driving tasks, such as distance control between the driver's vehicle and a preceding vehicle, pedestrian, or bicyclist. PDA is comprised of a few separate features which function in different driving conditions. The PDA feature set includes Obstacle Anticipation Assist, which is designed to detect vehicles parked on the side of the road or pedestrians or bicyclists either on the side of the road or crossing the road. This feature operates at vehicle speeds of approximately 20 to 35 miles per hour and, depending on the circumstances, may provide mild braking and/or gentle steering assist to control the distance between the detected object and the vehicle inside the lane of travel. PDA also features deceleration assist, which is designed to provide gentle braking to gradually reduce vehicle speed when the system detects preceding vehicles or certain upcoming curves in the road. This feature operates at speeds above approximately 15 miles per hour when the driver is not pressing on the accelerator or brake pedals. Steering assist is another feature of PDA and is designed to detect the lines of the roadway and vary the assistance from the power steering to help the driver stay within the lane. This feature does not actively steer the vehicle and is designed to operate at vehicle speeds between 5 to 80 miles per hour. With TSS 3.0, Toyota's latest generation of active safety technologies and advanced driver assistance systems are along for the ride. For more information, please visit toyota.com/safetysense or refer to your owner's manual.